Today we've got a cool gadget to review. It's a mini vacuum made by Xiaomi, so stay tuned. So the vacuum cleaner we'll be looking at is the Xiaomi Mi Portable Mini Vacuum. So in the box it comes with the mini vacuum. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, a Crevice Tool and a brush tool. Unfortunately, the product that we bought in New Zealand didn't come with a New Zealand power plug, but if you bought it in Xiaomi China, you would get the Chinese plugs. Upon first impressions of this gadget, the build quality is quite good. It's a little bit heavy because of what's inside. It's got a built-in 2000 mAh battery, which is charged via USB-C. I did a charging test on this gadget via USB-C. It took around 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge. So there's a button here. When you push on it, it turns on and it goes into low gear. When you push it again, it will go into high gear. So in low gear, it will last 30 minutes, and on high gear, it's 9 minutes. To empty the bin, there's a one button mechanism. Pull to unlock, push to release. So to get to the filters, you just need to unlock from here. Once inside, you find the mesh steel filter plus the Hepa filter. So the Hepa filter will block 99.5% of unwanted air particles. So the Hepa filter will last around 6 months, depending on the usage. To replace them, they're around $10. So the vacuum can be used in many ways. Like for instance, you can clean your car with this, you can clean your keyboard, you can clean the inside of your desktop, you can go around crevices and corners, as well as hard to reach places. So we've tested this gadget in the car on high and low settings, picking up big particles and small particles, and it did a very good job. However, when it's on high setting, it will pick up a lot quicker than low. So there's a latch in the vacuum cleaner. When opened, when in use, the debris should go in and the latch will close to keep the dirt inside the dustbin. So in our test, our product that we purchased had a bit of a flaw with the latch system. It didn't close properly and some of the dust particles and dirt would come out. So in conclusion about this gadget, there are some pros and cons. Number one, it can be stored anywhere in the car or in a desk drawer. Number two, it's quite good suction for its size. Number three, it provides with USB-C charging. So number four, $69. It's good value for money. The con is the bin is too small. It's too loud for the size of the vacuum, and it didn't come with a charger. So in conclusion, this is a very good product. For $69, you can't go wrong. So we have a buy link below for the vacuum cleaner as well as the Hepa filter. So check it out. Please subscribe us and like us.